Daddy, why did you eat my fries? I bought them and they were mine. Yeah, you ate them. Yeah, you. Oh, hello there. Hey, yeah, as you can tell, my dad, Hudson Abdir, he ate all my fries. Well, joke's on him because they were cold. But I am not going to cry about it because today we are going to make our own French fries and make our own homemade nice and red ketchup. I'm Marshall Lee, and welcome to Cooking Cosplay.
All right, let's start peeling our potatoes. And altogether I peeled about 10, after which we're gonna go ahead and rinse them off. Now we chop them up. Not with the axe, we don't need that. But we are gonna go ahead and start cutting our potatoes. First, we're going to go ahead and cut our potatoes into 4 separate pieces. After which, we're going to go ahead and break them down into even smaller pieces so they get more of that iconic French fry shape. Alright, pretty good. Let's get the rest. That already looks good. But we can't do anything just yet. You first have to go ahead and soak these fries in water for approximately 2 hours. Since we have to wait a second, we can go ahead and get started on our ketchup. First, we're going to open up, not with my teeth. First, we're going to open up a 6-ounce can of tomato paste. Then, mix in 1/4 a cup of raw honey. Add 1/2 a cup of white vinegar. Also, 1 teaspoon of sugar. 1/4 of a cup of water. Add 3/4 teaspoon of sea salt. Then 1/4 of a teaspoon of onion powder. Then 1/2 a teaspoon of minced garlic. Mix together. Now we're going to set our ketchup on for medium heat. Once it's had time to boil, we're going to go ahead and reset it to low heat. Let it simmer for a few more minutes. Alright, looks good. Let's take a taste test. still a little warm, but it tastes perfect. I cannot wait to try this with my French fries. Now back to our fries. Once you drain out the water, go ahead and lay out your fries on 2 baking sheets lined with paper towels, that way they can dry off even more. At the same time, get a pot of vegetable oil started and preheat to 300 degrees. Once your fries are laid out and your oil has reached its proper temperature, we can go ahead and start pre-cooking. The pre-cooking is only going to take about 4 to 5 minutes. Your fries should not be brown by the time the pre-cooking is finished. As you're putting your fries in the pot, one batch at a time, be sure you switch out your paper towels. That way they can also dry off the oil once the pre-cooking is finished. The 4 to 5 minutes are up. We're going to go ahead and take them out and lay them on our new paper towels. As you can see, one batch is a little bit darker than the other, but that's okay. Now, we're going to go ahead and put our fries back in to finish cooking. For each of these batches, it took approximately 2.5 minutes for these fries to finish cooking and get that golden brown look. Now that's more like it. Beautiful. Now let's sprinkle with some sea salt. And our homemade fries are done. Moment of truth, time for a taste test. Nice and crispy. Perfect. Now let's try with our homemade ketchup. And that is heavenly. Definitely the perfect comfort food.
Daddy, guess what? I made some fries. I made them and they tasted fine. Hope you enjoyed making this delicious treat with me. See you next time on Cook and Cosplay.